Today is Thursday? Believe it or not, Wednesday they did 95% of the demo. The last little bit that they hadn't done, they did this morning, and they've already taken everything out. They've taken out walls over here. Come on over this way. This was our pantry that was, I don't know, 18 inches deep. This is now where the refrigerator is going to go. Our new pantry is in there. They'll take these studs out and put a door here so we can go in there. The laundry room, which was minuscule, is now minimally acceptable. We worked on the stain for 5 days. It was agonizing because they said, you know, pick something and bring us a piece of wood with that stain, exact stain. I thought I was gonna have a nervous breakdown. And in the end, I ended up picking, believe it or not, a baseball bat that I had in my office. That's the latest. We'll give you more as it unfolds.